Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Chrysler 300 computer. First, understand that resetting your car's computer, also known as the Powertrain Control Module or PCM, can often fix minor glitches. This process helps clear out old error codes and allows the system to relearn optimal settings. It's a useful step if you're experiencing unusual electrical behavior or performance issues. This simple procedure can save you a trip to the mechanic for certain problems. To begin, locate your Chrysler 300 battery, which is typically found in the trunk. Safety is paramount, so ensure your vehicle is turned off. Using a 10mm wrench, carefully loosen the nut on the negative battery terminal. Once loose, gently remove the negative cable from the terminal. It's crucial to remove the negative cable first to prevent any accidental short circuits during the process. After disconnecting the negative battery cable, it's important to wait for at least 15 minutes. This waiting period allows the computer's internal capacitors to fully discharge. To further ensure all residual power is drained, press and hold your car's horn for about 30 seconds. This action helps to completely clear any remaining electrical charge within the system, preparing it for a fresh start. Now, carefully reconnect the negative battery cable to its terminal. Use your 10mm wrench to tighten the nut firmly, ensuring a secure connection. Once reconnected, start your Chrysler 300 engine. Allow it to idle for approximately 10 minutes without touching the accelerator. This gives the computer time to relearn its idle parameters and adapt to the engine's current state.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.